Howdy. Hey, we're doing a quick walkthrough in the Dallas Urby of their 2-bedroom. So we're just gonna go walk through. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Isn't this just gorgeous? Love this kitchen detail. This 2-bedroom is stunning. You're gonna love what you see here. Isn't this delightful? Really modern, high-end appliances. This is a European kind of Scandinavian feel. And then this, look at this living room area. Isn't this stunning? This is perfect. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. So you're gonna have amazing views, and you're gonna be able to enjoy sun. You're gonna see the city. This is a perfect modern apartment, and it's all new. I mean, this building just opened up very, very recently. It's all new and quite gorgeous. You can see also, here's one of the bedrooms, and you can see what that looks like. We're gonna explore more detail when we go to the detail videos, but that's one of them. And then there's another bedroom that's over here. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this detail. It's beautiful. That bathroom, you're gonna love it. We're gonna see that in some details in just a minute. But this is the overall 2-bedroom floor plan. It's stunning. We went through that kitchen, and then you've got this living room. Isn't this amazing? Okay, so if you like this, stay tuned, because we're gonna do a couple of detailed walkthroughs of this beautiful Urby. And also, if you have any questions or you wanna get some more information about this at any time, my number's below. Send me a text and say, hey Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. Send me some more information about the Urby. Just text me. I'd like to get just some more information, see if this is gonna be a good fit for me. So many of our clients have loved this, and I think you'll love it too. Okay, so watch, because we're gonna have our next videos right now. There's gonna be detailed videos.